Hey guys, it's Amanda Cartret again, and it's still snowing outside, and it's the Noreaster Storm for 2018 outside, and we're gonna be snowed in for today and tomorrow. So Anthony didn't go to his program today because of the Noreaster Storm. So I'm gonna show you what I did. I cleaned out my dresser drawers, and I helped Ma clean out her dresser drawers. And I put my medals and my ribbons in there, and I put some stuff in there, and I put my winter hats and scarves and gloves in the bag, and it's in there in case I need to take, and in case I want to take one out. And it's really good, so I won't have a big mess in there. And I put my socks on that side, my underwears and bras on that side. And I put my shirts in there, and my jeans and my other jeans and church pants in there, and I put my pajamas in there, and I put my house bra and underwears and some stuff in there. And I'm watching the movie of Crazy Stupid Love. And later we're gonna hang up the pictures, and there is a lot of snow on the ground and on the cars, and everything's on the windows. My window is closed, and there are my 7 dwarves right there next to my window, in front of my bed. There's Doc, Grumpy, Happy, Sleepy, Bashful, Sneezy, and Dopey looking at me. That is my frog, and my white bear, and my pink bear. This is my Monster High lava lamp, and that is my veterinarian doll and set. And my Anna and Elsa Disney's Frozen dolls, and my Belle doll. And that is my Tinkerbell star-shaped pillow right there on my bed. And those are the CDs that I'm going to listen to tonight, and my movies I'm going to watch. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.